以呢都傻，趁住年假我哋又走去泰國玩下先，谷咁
係咯。但係呢個飛機 delay 完又 delay，
係啊，
唉，AirAsia 機就係咁樣啦。
真係唔掂啊 AirAsia，我哋去之前已經2、3個星期，其實同我哋講翻個程機會飛，跟住今日有晏晝 send 個message 嚟講啊，夜晚又 delay 咗我哋嚟到機場會再 delay， 真係過嚟。所以今次我哋呢個 trip 咧係我哋一家人兩大兩細嚟玩嘅。咁樣呢個 trip 咧都幾特別嚇，因為我哋係第一次咁樣 plan 嘅，所以我哋嘅 plan 係我哋一齊去，但係第一日咧會係分嘅，
即係我同我個仔，而佢同佢嘅女，
一齊去，我哋就係 share 房啊，share Airbnb 啊，慳平啲，跟住 share 的士啊，跟住去到嘅時候咧就各自各行啦。所以第一日就係我同個女咯，佢就同佢仔咯。第二日咧，我哋就會一齊喺埋一齊，我哋一家人喺一齊。第三日嘅時候咧就
轉啦，就我帶仔啦，你帶女啦。
咁第四日咧就係我夾機去玩啦，最正。
你夾機去玩？
你湊佢哋兩個啊？
我嘅 plan 係我夾機去玩喎。
我講咗先，我唔知道你。
我想講啦，早晨2個鐘頭你要夾機揾咯，跟住晏晝 before 到嗰個機場我夾機去玩。
等陣去到機場你夾機玩啦嚇。
before 啊，聽到。
所以咧飲下茶先。飲下茶，等上機，去到都半夜咯。本來冇 delay 嘅話，去到仲可以行下 shopping， convenience store 嘅。而家去到我諗都要，去到機場應該差唔多成12點，咁翻得去Airbnb 應該要1點，應該會好攰啦。唔係啊，1點泰國時間，即係我呢度2點啊。
係啊。
冇力去行，瞓翻覺好嘅，聽朝早先至食個訂早餐。
呢個 pistachio latte， 橫掂都攞一份咯，咁啊 latte 啦。
The next day，
坐喺呢度傻，早晨。今日我喺 Chatuchak Market， 其實咧尋日講錯咗，同埋冇諗到，AirAsia 點解遲咧？因為尋日發生地震，緬甸同埋泰國發生地震，所以 of course 佢有 delay 咯。But eventually 都嚟到啦，係咪都考慮咗好耐可唔可以嚟？其實不過諗下，唉，橫掂都 book 咗啦，所以就即管嚟下啦。所以今日我哋 plan 係Chatuchak，跟住分開行咯。而家等緊call 緊 Grab。
而家我等緊 Grab 去Chatuchak。
幾遠啊？
其實又 Grab 咗。
尋日去嗰個 collapse 嗰個 building 都係喺Chatuchak Market 附近啫。AirAsia 貴咗啊！尋晚我 check 嘅時候100幾蚊。AirAsia look at the camera。
Lazy boy。
Okay, Shan。
嚟到Chatuchak Market 啦。Okay, now it's time to shopping.
So you go with mommy, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
Go with Tete. Post it on YouTube. Okay. OK， 我们自己走，但是现在肚子饿了，我们去找东西吃。Right?
Yes.
A lot of things to shop, but don't worry, we have time. Try to get something to eat for our breakfast. And this is not the main entrance.
ธรรมดาอยู่แล้ว。
上次我哋點諗嘢這麼多嚟，有一個地方擺很多了，然後那邊有很多東西吃。哎呀，這個白菜。Let's go find something to eat first. 吃飽了。Mango smoothie. Is it nice? I heard the mango in Thailand is really nice and sweet. Oh, we didn't take the pets video just now.
我哋呢度傻，我哋 哋早晨就到咗Chatuchak，跟住就行到而家先至嚟食下個披薩，嘆下杯 coffee 啦。呢度嘅 environment 唔錯，你冇諗到Chatuchak通常都係賣衫啊，賣啲屋企嘅嗰啲匙羹叉啊啲咁樣嘢。無端端你會揾到一個 cafe， 呢個 cafe 叫Rumba Cafe， 佢有 live band 嘅，但係而家暫時休息，一陣佢就會有啦 live music。呢度係好靚嘅，呢度通常係食咩咧？食 pizza、spaghetti 啊，嘆下茶咁樣咯，唔錯嘅一個 environment 啊！
喂，你今日嚟咗Chatuchak成日都冇錄嘢嘅？
係啊，因為好忙啊，忙賣嘢啊你。
所以而家係錄 ending 啫啦。Hello， 隔離就買衫咯。其實尋日嗰個地震嗰個 building 冧咗埋，嗰個 building 冧咗係好近Chatuchak Market嘅啫，所以而家我哋臨翻嘅時候行過去睇下。你睇到冇？地下嗰啲塵，尋日成棟樓嘅時候嗰啲塵全部打晒上嚟嘅。前面有好多人，記者喺天橋上邊啊！就係嗰棟啦。唔知今日有冇揾到好多生還者，希望可以救得返佢哋啦。佢見到好多記者喺度報緊啊！呢個係日本台嘅記者。坐呢度坐，又食啲多嘅時間啦。而家我哋去個 The OneRachada。之前 before MCO 我哋周時嚟嘅，嗰陣時就好 happening。但係 MCO 之後咧，而家係第一次嚟，唔知有冇唔同咧。Let's go！ 但係我睇 review 啦，佢講而家 MCO 之後人潮少咗好多。其實都係咧。你睇以前我哋喺個 entrance 度都睇到好多人行上行落咗。
有好多人喺度等車。
哦，而家比較少啲，冇咁熱鬧。Let's see。OK， 而家我哋到咗啦，好多嘟嘟喺度。但其實真係人潮少咗好多嘅。你睇人潮真係少咗好多。
但係佢嘅檔口都好似
rearrange 咗啦，佢又俾佢整靚啲咗。之前冇呢個咁樣entrance 呢個牌，而家有人潮少咗，但 OK 啦，多多少少實揾到嘢食嘅。你以前入嚟嘅時候呢度就好多人咗啊，排晒隊咁樣。
好多一檔一檔咗。
哦。 跟住佢哋影相，我又去兜個圈先。唔係喎，真係爭好遠喎！入咗嚟你就真係發覺爭好遠，真係爭好遠。以前呢度全部都係檔口賣嘢食，呢度空到晒，幾乎可以講係冇嘢食，空到晒。唔怪之得啲 review 啲人講，真係同以前好大分別啦。以前呢度全部都係人，買嘢又要排隊，又冇位坐，而家真係空到晒。哇！睇嚟呢個 MCO 對呢個 Rachada Market 嘅影響真係大，冇嘢食。嗱，呢度有幾檔咯。啊 ，OK 啦，係勉強揾到嘢食啦，同之前好大分別。之前你去邊度周圍行嗰一大堆嘢食。因為太空咗。OK 啦，泰國餐係揾到你食嘅。變咗遊樂場，仲係冇人玩嘅遊樂場。以前我每一次嚟曼谷呢，我都會嚟呢度嘅夜晚揾嘢食，好熱鬧。今次我嚟過呢次之後，我覺得我下次應該唔會再嚟咯，真係好靜。呢啲 restaurant 真係 staff 多過客。今日就係星期六咧，呢度就酒吧噶咯。上次都係好多人滿晒人啊，成條街都係，都係靜好多。嗱，呢度係差唔多最後一間吧噶啦，後邊嘅真係黑晒、熄晒燈。嗱，冇開啊！星期六啊，今日。哦。幾乎清佢盤啊！依家我哋又返去食嘢嗰度啦。好空好空。Goodbye。
早晨。
今日係咩day？
星期日，第二日。
今日係 Together Day，所以今日我哋係4個人一齊嘅，冇分開嘅。聽日先再另人分開。咁啊，今日我哋嘅 plan 咧就係我哋會 book 咗一個 trip， 11點半去一個地方坐一個船。咁嗰個船咧，佢會做喺嗰個河仔啊，嗰啲社區啊、屋仔中間穿梭咁樣，大概2粒鐘。After that 咧，我哋就會去邊度啊？啊，跟住出個 view 嗰度，仲要可能喺度食下晚餐夜晚時分。
因為佢哋嗰度係景比較靚嘅，夜晚先開燈，睇到比較多嘅。
Anyway 係3點先至開，所以喺度諗緊愛唔愛我哋坐咗個船就直接，因為太長時間啦。再諗啦。但而家咧，我哋就去食個早餐先。我哋去個 breakfast story 係 chain store 嚟嘅，所以我揀咗喺個運動會嗰度食咗先至過去個 meeting point。咁我尋日睇咗佢嘅評分，一定好似好正。所以呢個就係我哋講嗰個 breakfast。頭都揾唔到，你睇都揾唔到。其實佢喺樓上。
你睇 second floor。
跟住我哋睇到呢個好似講我哋南摩列加。
南摩列加。
但係你睇，正話我哋坐咗的士落嚟，你睇，根據 Google Map 咧，佢係喺呢度嘅。咁你睇乜都冇，好彩抬頭望一望，見到個 breakfast story。OK， 拉莫尼卡，見到奇怪嘅，我哋第二個咩拉莫尼卡立體嘅相。成個 terrace 咁樣咧，佢唔係一個個別嘅shop 咯。哇！出邊其實好靜下嘅咧，哦，出邊，I mean 出邊你喺條街啊，好蠻多人嘅，呢度換後座，我諗遲啲嚟多15分鐘半，呢個係其中一個最後一場。
佢仲有second floor啊！我睇到嗰度有一個樓梯上去啊。好，let's see what's it。
個屈好好啦，又唔會講靜英英咁樣。一，let's go。唔會講靜英英，都咁多人。
哇，佢嘅 menu 都好多下。
佢嘅 crowd 都幾 mix 咯，I mean 有外國人。你睇下係咪？Yeah, what do you want? Glasses smoothie bowl. Seriously? Seriously? You order it, you eat it, okay? It looks weird to me.
Looks weird.
Yeah, this smoothie and what is this?
This is the menu.
I think I'll go for
this.
3 egg omelette.
go for egg Benedict.
Yeah, I want to go for egg Benedict. 嘅早餐嚟咗啦。OK，呢個咧就係 smoked salmon egg Benedict。你睇仲喺度喐下嘅。
That's why he says big. Cannot fit in.
This is 3 egg omelette. And inside is with sausage, bacon.
Locally, I did not order that.
It's big.
Oh, it's big. Inside there's a
I
lot
want
of
to ask you
things.
something.
Okay, let me try my egg Benedict
Cheers.
first. Okay, cheers. Cheers.
You want some?
This is my latte.
Watermelon. Can I see how the latte feels?
Okay, let me try
Egg
see
Benedict.
what is egg
Oh,
Benedict. Ooh, wow.
Oh, it's like burgers for life.
Woohoo! Wow.
So nice.
It's like melting, like it's exploding like a volcano. Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, but it's okay. Or we can still dip it with the bread later.
It looks like a volcano exploding for life.
Go with the bread.
Let me go with the salmon first. Very nice. I like it.
What about yours? Okay. Let's just try
I
her.
don't know where to start, but
It's okay.
this one.
It's really huge. Oh, Shanna, your berry smoothie, yeah. Looks nice too. Looks nice. Really looks nice.
Wow!
Yeah, right.
The potato is so big.
It's small. Okay, let me record the first, okay?
Just came out.
What is that? Ham? Ham and tomato. It's huge, really huge. Luckily he told us. And this one we thought is huge, and now it's not so huge. Looks nice. Looks nice.
All my favorite foods. And that's cereal, by the way.
Is it good?
The movie is so good.
So yummy. Can you give some comment? That's it. Okay. So good. Can you give some comment to the subscriber? How does it taste?
Subscribe now.
Good.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Look at the inside of the
And, okay.
Okay.
So just look inside the ingredient.
There's a lot of onion and tomato.
I think you skip tomato and pepper.
Pepper and
Mushroom, yeah.
I don't like mushroom.
Yeah. Okay, enjoy. So 而家我哋去坐船啦，邊度等？
restaurant 呢度。
哦 Ban Plondi Restaurant。
呢個 trip 咧，其實係喺 HiddenBangkok.com 嗰度，你會睇到佢好多 route 嘅，跟住有1個鐘頭、2個鐘頭嘅 boat ride。我係 engage 咗2個鐘頭 route 2嘅 boat ride 今日。
啲 restaurant 都好有風味下哦。河邊一陣我哋有時間嚟到食嘢。Ooh. People are getting ready for the trip. Hi, สวัสดีครับ
Wow, you wearing the Bangkok fashion.
Yeah, okay. Just inside. Especially the color. Oh, okay.
Bangkok Fashion. Want to get some drink?
You want to get some drink?
Let's go see because it's 2 hours boat ride, right? It's 2 hours, right?
Yeah, 2
Yeah, so we pick some whatever that we want and bring on the boat.
2 hours. We also have like the break spot that you can buy the drink.
Ah, okay,
or
okay.
Village, right? We will stop by.
Yeah, so they have the choice for you because today you book a private.
Yeah.
They have two choice like the artist village and the temple. So
I think the big Buddha temple is under renovation.
yes,
right?
we can see on the boat.
Yeah,
Ah,
it's
okay.
fine. Then I think it's better. I think we will prefer to go to artist village. Please walk by.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe you want to get a beer.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Hello. You guys enjoying? You sure you don't want to get any soft drink or snack on the boat? You can enjoy on the boat. You sure? I'm getting some drink myself. You don't want? Then you got nothing to drink on the boat.
Daddy, can you sit for us?
No, no, no. If you even lazy to pick your own drink, then you're not getting anything.
Yeah. But just shaking.
Hmm? Then later it's shaking or whatever, it's okay. It's fine. Mami, 你杯個 private boat 幾錢啊？ Yeah, sure.
Ready, everyone? 1, 2, 3, one more. 1, 2, 3, yeah, one more. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.
嗰幾錢啊？
佢係1到5個人嘅，係2500。如果你愛English speaking 嘅guide咧，就加多1800咯。
所以總共3800啦。如果唔使雞就2500。Oh, nice. See, we have our own drink here.
It's like I put inside
can I scoot to that side? Thank you. Okay, so first of all,นะคะ can we wear the life jacket?
Okay.
Oh, look at the number of people that standing for looking for the fish. They're fishing. big size. That's why it's the catfish. Yeah, and also there's a lot of tilapia. Sometimes the seaweeds will come because this water is not only fresh water. It's close to the sea. It's mixed.
Oh, it's
It's
big.
sea water and fresh water mixed. So now the tide is low. At the center, it's not too deep. It's around 1.5 meter.
Oh.
Close to the bank, just only 1 meter. You can just stand like this. Yeah. But when the spring tide high, it's get higher than ever.
Ah.
So when the tide's up, it's getting around 2 meter. But now, just only 1.5 meter at the center.
But I can see most other boats is for tourists, so it's not a common transport for local anymore.
So long time ago, this all is the public transport version. It's like the private boat that pick up the people this zone. But now we have to say that the lifestyle changed. The price of the car and the motorbike is not expensive like before. So now most of the people use their own car. That is the reason why Bangkok is so traffic. And now we have to say the technology of the public transportation. They have more the line on the subway and the SkyTrain. That's what is faster more, and they also have the air condition. So this zone we have to say like just the old like now the boat that you see the tourist boat. Because back then they used to be the service taxi, but the business is not continue, cannot continue because just a few person use the service.
So now no more the local taxi, no more.
No more in the canal, but just only the main transportation. Just only the main river. Main river, the big river. Yeah, the big main river that shown at least almost 60% of tourists. Local people will use the service, but just only morning time when they want to go to work and finish every evening. But during the day, most of the 60% of the income from the tourists.
Can you see, Shan? It's so close to the house. They might just go into the house.
Yeah, but mostly they will just looking for the food to eat in the canal. Mainly the food is the fish, and actually they eat everything, even the rat and the snake. So they also eat the rotten dead animal that food in the canal. But we never heard they can touch the human before. They're not aggressive like the crocodile. Like this one, example like the house that been in the middle of the garden, water, drink water. But now we have to say like maybe a little Bangkok is expensive because of the population down there. And the house on different side. It's not yet, it's not open for it to live the house. You can see they use it some of the house. That's what you can understand. They have to change speed a lot. But the problem with this show is the title. There's no title on there. But not be like there's no title. But in the area,
Another temple.
you can see them before. But some area there's no title.
Hello. Hello, Shan.
So, if the government and they will negotiate with the local people attracted, yeah, and if people
Oh, so many rubbish. Shan, you see? The litter.
have all the money, you can only take the land to like in the financial. And if no money,
Shan, do you know all these are people houses? It's their home. They stay here. Like this, Jen. She stay here.
you want to steal it, the crime, then you show them have the crime. Because the people can ask for
So 個 trip 係會停喺呢個 artist village 嘅，so 喺 artist village 你就喺度買下嘢啊，買下水飲，買下食嘢，可以帶上船食啦，真係。
อนที่มันกลับมาจากเชียงรายมันเสียไป
呢
เท่า
個
ไห
唔
ร่
係我哋食㗎，呢個係俾魚食㗎。
เอาจริงๆบางคนไม่มีตัวแสดงว่าไม่เซ็ง
一陣打包啲嘢食上船食都幾過癮下喎。嗱，至於your ice cream OK later OK。You want to eat some snack? Lucian, buy this.
That's not for you,
นี่
for
แต่ไอ
fish.
ศครีมไหนแล้ว
Look at back then they used the boat, the boat of the local people.
Oh,
Oh, that's a bowl.
But now they didn't use it now.
so small. I think it's like a merchant boat. They carry some stuff. Yeah, they carry some stuff and sell with that boat.
So it's the DIY shop that the people have to make a glass bracelet, necklace, and painting.
Mm.
And take a look inside.
Oh.
But if you want to go inside, you have to take shoes off.
So it's DIY. Yeah. You
It's a
can.
nice place to like spend the time like half day here.
Mm.
Painting. Also have the
Some handcrafting.
No, not my cup. Handcraft.
Yeah, we go to the big pier, okay?
Shanna, this is a little boat shop, you see?
This one is the memory box. That people come here and write their memory and shopping.
Memory lock. It's like a cafe as well.
Yeah, so this one is the artist house.
Mm.
At the first floor is the cafe zone and the craft party. On the second floor is the showcase of the art gallery and the workshop.
And the make
At the first floor, the
bracelet.
activity zone, the bracelet, also on the zone for painting.
入嚟要除鞋，跟住正話我哋除咗鞋先咧。
Yes, yes. But if you want to do any activity, you have to contact the counter first. This floor is the souvenir, yeah, sale, this card.
Share is all made of glass, okay? Don't break anything.
This one is the old photo of this market.
Oh.
It used to be like this.
So
So back then,
like
all
this
the
back
way
then.
that we pass, it used to be like the old farm. And this is the market that people will bring the product from the farm and we sell here. The old photo by sketch. This one is the on the tower for you. The crayon, pencil, or
Oh, so many fishes. 八丁魚. So if we catch the fish, can we send to the restaurant to cook?
no, this one is close to the temple.
Oh,
People respect the temple, so they will not catch it.
ah.
Okay, not everything, okay? Hold tight.
Hey, feed them, huh? Not for you.
You have a lot.
Same color too. Orange, I got orange. Me too, one.
哦，
不用强制吃。
是啊，抢着吃啊。然后他们又不会在这里捕鱼的，因为这里靠近那个 temple。Visiting time, are you eating, Liu Shen?
Ice cream.
Wow.
Ice cream what flavor?
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Wow.
And you remember to finish your snack, this snack, okay?
It's for fish. Not for
We
you.
have our drink. And then what are you eating?
Vanilla ice cream.
I have also my sundae.
And my pickles.
So now 我哋而家冇停咗啦，冇停咗，跟住咧我哋就一直行差唔多個幾小時咯，係啊，個幾小時1個小時，跟住就到差唔多City Centre，即係我哋落車。
應該會行過幾個 temple，屈out 有一個俾大家陪一下，俾你哋影相咯。俾你哋影相嗰啲啊，你會陪一下兩個啦，有兩個 temple。
食嘢先。
係。
Maybe the dog will also come to eat the food. You see, a lot of bird or dog there, and they're feeding the fish. Ah, nice. Oh, the fish are coming.
吹破，你呢度試。
Put more, put more.
有人多嚟邊度試？
And we'll stop here just for like 1 minute, 2 minutes, okay? You see? You see it, yeah.
There's my buddy. Daddy the bus.
It's okay.
No, literally. Religion said it.
Oh, by accident, it was an accident.
Actually done, okay? Okay. I showed a hope.
Yeah, just okay. Now the fish is full.